Hello and welcome to another edition of Peter Synthetics. I'm your host, Brian. That's right. Thanks for joining us. So we're going to jump right on into another edition of our grease series. Here we go. Okay, so you just want to start right here at orderoil24.com, and that's our personal website. And by the time you see this, there may be a small redesign, but don't be worried. Our phone number and pertinent information will be available on the website. So you just start here, and then you go to shop. You just click the big shop button right there. You just click that right there. And that brings you right here to our website, and you can go ahead and look up your vehicle, your truck, your car, SUV, motorcycle, ATV, what have you. And you can begin here and go ahead and become a member of the Preferred Customer Program. And by the way, our Preferred Customer Program has gotten a really great You become a member of the Preferred Customer Program, get 25% off and free shipping with orders over $100. So there you go. So please use orderoil24.com whenever you order. That way we get the credit, the small bit of credit for the sale, and I can become your Amsoil dealer. So remember that. So whenever you're doing that, you remember every time you make an order, it goes to someone. It's going to go to someone in the Amsoil network. Why not be the guy that's trying to help you now? But if not, that's okay too. More than happy to help. So let's jump right on into this. So here's your high-viscosity lithium complex synthetic grease. It's an industrial synthetic lubricant. It's a lithium complex thickened grease blended with premium ISO 320 synthetic base oils. Okay, so that's basically a specification that some industrial applications are required to have, or the machinery will not function correctly. So it's got excellent performance. It's excellent for use in heavy-duty industrial and off-road applications where equipment operates under adverse conditions. So going from exposure to environmental elements, slow, heavily loaded applications, from hot to cold, high-viscosity base oils and high-quality additives. It's also got a thickener system, and it performs in hostile environments. So it's going to do well if you're in like really sub-zero temperatures, or if you're in really hot temperatures like in Arizona or Las Vegas, Sahara Desert, wherever, so it's going to really help you out there. It's going to excel in high temperature. So if you're in a hot temperature like area like I am, we're in South Georgia here, this is a really great oil, or a great grease to use. It's a premium ISO 320 synthetic base oil and high quality lithium complex thickener. They work together to provide superior protection in severe operating conditions up to and over 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can also get up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in intermittent service, which means basically with Amsoil, they tell you 400 or 350. What they're saying to you is, you need to remember this. We're not going to warranty anything over this temperature. But if you get something that's, if it gets to 450, I wouldn't leave it in there long, or I wouldn't leave it at that temperature very long. But if you do happen to go over a little bit, you still got room. They give you room. But remember, don't take that stuff over there. I don't want to be, don't do this at home. I don't want to get people say, well, I did it at 500 degrees and it burned up my motor and blah, 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 or burned something up and you said and blah, blah, blah. I'm just leaving this as a disclaimer. Don't do it. But if it kind of goes over, I think you'll be okay. So we can't warrant it, though. We've got product available in 14-ounce cartridges, 35-pound pails, and 120-pound kegs for your convenience. And you want to always make sure that you clean out all the grease whenever you grease. So clean out the old grease. So our greases are always compatible with other greases, but you want to get rid of all the old grease as much as possible so that it does not degrade the performance of Amsoil. The grease in there. So there you go. There's a quick look at our high viscosity lithium complex synthetic grease. If you have any questions, please go over to the website at orderoil24.com. And as always, here at Peter Synthetics, my name is Brian. I bid you adieu, and remember, we go deep.
Check out orderoil24.com.